Hey guys, I'm Chef Alycia Nicole, and today we're making bang bang shrimp. So if you're new here to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you'll be able to find out when I put out my next recipe. So what's on the menu today? Bang bang shrimp from Bonefish Grill. If you're not familiar, it is a shrimp fried to make it crunchy, and then adding a little sauce, tossing it to give it a little zip, little heat, little sweet. It's delicious. So you can serve this over rice, you can serve this however you'd like. So let's review the ingredients. So Fishbone Grill's Bang Bang Shrimp consists of cornstarch to toss the shrimp in, salt, pepper, of course the shrimp. You want to make sure they're clean, deveined, shell off. Any brand of cornstarch will do. For the sauce, you're gonna mix a Thai hot pepper sauce and also a sweet chili sauce, a Thai sweet chili sauce, and then some mayonnaise to make it creamy. All right, so let's get started on making our mixture. I'm gonna add a good amount of salt, black pepper. This, I'm just doing a small batch because I don't have a whole bunch of mouths to feed. So I'm just gonna start with this and kind of eyeball it, but I will give you the full recipe in the video. So we got salt and pepper. We can just mix that with a fork. And now we toss in the shrimp. Let's just do a few at a time. You just want to make sure everything is coated. That is simply it. We're ready for the fryer. So you just want to pour in vegetable oil so that you can at least pan fry it, and we'll get to going. Let's just do our thing. Shake the excess cornstarch off. Make sure it's completely coated though. We can finish the rest. Toss that. Toss. You see a little bit goes a long way. I have a lot of excess here. So you don't want to reuse it if you're not going to use it right away. So this is going to go into the garbage. Otherwise, after this, I'll fry up some more. All right, so real quickly, we just toss in our shrimp. You want to take it off and put it on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. So now that we have our crispy shrimp, you can put a little bit more salt on that just to make sure. We want to mix in mayonnaise, whatever heat you have at home, just a little, and the sweet of the Thai chili sauce. Okay, mix that up. And it should be like a pinkish color like they have at the restaurant. You want it creamy, but you want a little heat. Now we simply put the shrimp in the bowl and toss. It's important that these are served hot so that they can keep their crisp. And that's it. Real simple, delicious. Bang bang shrimp. So good. So there you have it. It's the Fishbone Bang Bang Shrimp. So you can have this as an entree. You can have this as an appetizer. But that's what it looks like. So you guys, this is delicious. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. There's a little crust from the cornstarch. That little sweetness is so delicious, and it's just got a little kick. So if you're enjoying these popular restaurant recipes, please be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell.